In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am Professor Ameer. I hope that you will be doing well. Let us learn idioms and phrases, part 1, C. Meanings and use. Number 1 idiom is all and sundry, meaning all, everyone, people from all walks of life. Sentences. He invited all and sundry to his party. All and sundry came to welcome him. Number 2. All ears, meaning listening attentively. Sentences. Serious students are always all ears to their teacher's lectures. Be all ears to what your teacher says. Number 3. Adam's L, meaning water. Sentences. Adam's L is necessary for all living things. We cannot live without Adam's L. Number 4. Above the law, meaning exempt from the laws. Sentences. Nobody is above the law. If a rich person commits a crime, he should be punished because he is not above the law. Number 5. Above the par, meaning better than average. Sentences. His performance is above the par in this play. The quality of things in this market is above the par, meaning above the ordinary or common standard. I think this video is useful to you. If you find this useful, like this video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.